What's up, everybody? So today is Monday. It's kind of a mixed day. The weekend was really good. I sourced some really good stuff for my side hustle. But this morning, actually going back to a couple days ago, there was a package that got lost in the mail. And this morning I spent an hour waiting at the post office and then trying to figure stuff out, and it turns out the package is lost, which sucks. Spend 2 hours of my morning only to figure out that I lost money. But I just gotta take that loss. That's it. Wasting more time on it only is more of a loss. Can't dwell on it. And you know what? It just makes me push twice as hard today. So that's the way I think about it. That's the way I'm starting to think about it. But on a side note, I made this weekend. It turned out pretty good. It's not super duper strong. This already came apart, but I might print another one with a couple extra layers or something like that. But it turned out pretty well. Got some kiln paper. So I'm gonna fuck with the kiln today. Luckily it's gotten a lot cooler out because the kiln gets super hot. I did not know. I knew how hot kilns got, but holy shit, when I was messing with it the other day and I opened it and the whole thing looks like that scene in Pulp Fiction where they open the briefcase and the whole thing is just glowing. I didn't know it got charcoal hot, glowing bright red hot. So I gotta add a couple more precautions onto it. But besides that, things are going pretty well. I gotta clean the shit out of the shed so it doesn't light up all that stuff that's stacked in there. But yeah, just another day on the hustle. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.